I'm a mechanical engineer with an MBA corporate social responsibility. We were the first batch of MBA CSR in South Asia when India made CSR a mandate in 2013. So this is my education qualification. Soon after my MBA, I was working as a senior officer corporate social responsibility in a multinational company called Robert Bosch. So I was heading all the CSR initiatives for Karnataka. I was there for 4 years and then I started an organization called Handson CSR. ಎನಿ ಸಿ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೈ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಗಾಳಿಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಕೈ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋರು ಬಹಳ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅವರ್ ನೆಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಇನ್ implementation program. We have two focus areas. One is education, one is people, and one is planning. Okay, we are very passionate engineers.
One is people and another
Planet. People and planet. Because we strongly feel that
future
Hello, sir. There are 3 P's which the business actually sees. One is people, planet, and profit. Okay, business out not of more. Even in people, planet, and profit. We are not looking into the profit part of it, but we are looking into the people and planet part of it. And for us, people and planet are very, very important. And me being an engineer, our organization's core actually revolves around 3 things. One is any initiative we take should be technically viable. Second thing is it has to be socially viable. Third thing is it has to be ecologically viable. ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅದು ಇದು 3 ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಗಿಡ ನಟ್ರೆ ಇದು 3 ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು any empowerment or it could be anything, a watershed or whatever you are talking about, everything has to have these 3 things: technical, social, and ecological. Technical is because science is very important in whatever we do. Social is because people, ನಮ್ಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಅವರಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಈಗ ಯಾರು ಎನಿ ಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್, ಸ್ಟೇಕ್ mapping is very important. Who are the stakeholders in this? We have mapped, we don't know. Okay, that is the first thing that we will have to do. Who are the stakeholders to our? Because I am also a certified impact assessor from SAN India. SAN is Social Audit Network UK. Sorry. Okay, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು, ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ CM's ಆಫೀಸ್ ಟು KSOU ಟು ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಇಂದಾಗಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್. I'll just tell you a story that happened 1 year back and about IISc, Indian Institute of Science. IISc has been very famous for doing all the technology related things. Healthcare related ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದಾರೋ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲೋ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. But what is happening inside IISc now is inside that ಒಂದು 150 acres ಅಲ್ಲಿ they are doing a medical college. How many of you know about this?
No.
Nobody.
You know, ma'am. IISc ಒಳಗಡೆ. Okay, it is something like the AIMS, but it is actually it is coming with a bigger vision of a lot of research related ಅದರ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಬಂದು 1,500 crores. 1,500 crores only structures. Running cost is different. ಈ 1,500 crores ನ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈ ತರದೊಂದು ಬುಕ್ಲೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And they have circulated it to every Tom, Dick and Harry corporates in India. Everyone. SBI, State Bank of India, has given 94 crores in the last financial year under their CSR. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಬಜೆಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ರೋಕನ್ ಇನ್ such a beautiful way, telling that first is our vision. Our vision, not for us. Like Ratan Tata or JRD Tata had a vision for India. ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಷನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರು, ಇದು ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಮ್ಗಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರನ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. That vision is something that a lot of people lack. That vision is something the leaders of the corporate love. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವಿಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ okay, this is what we are going to do. And who is going to lead this? Madam is going to lead this, Pratap is going to lead this, and all of us. Right? Because that institution is going to run. Tomorrow VC is madam. Day after tomorrow someone it can be. Right? Yaar bandrunu a vision annodhu enide, vision statement is very very clear. With the vision comes your mission and then comes your activities. ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. Right? So this I see as a beautiful thing coming in this 100-acre campus. Let us not talk anything about the river that is flowing outside. But as exactly, sir, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, first let's focus on the 100 acres. What I have done in my farm, which is just 3 kilometers from here, is ನನ್ನ ತೋಟ ಇಲ್ಲೇ 3 kilometers ದೂರದಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. I am also inspired by Pratap Hegde sir after ಇದನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರ ತೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. But I have in the last 3 years I have practiced something called a no-till agriculture. Okay, no-tilling. ಏನು ಗಿಡ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಬಿಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Lot of mycorrhizal network ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, all of that. ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತ್ರೆ ನಂದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಸಾಕಾಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. But we need a lot of things. ಅದು ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. Okay, because I have super excited about this entire 100 acres project. And as I enter, I also see a lot of invasive species here. Correct, sir? Acacia, lantana, there are a lot of invasive. You know the acacia on eucalyptus. See, one of the project, you heard of this, is a beautiful green cover, correct? But is that green cover legit? Acacia haki green cover madodu, I don't think so. It is legit. Can we replace it? That could be a project. That could be a project. And if we have this. Sir, I will finish. I'll just finish. I may be wrong. Okay, I am not an expert. I may be wrong. I may be wrong. Okay. Suma debate ಆಗಬೇಕು. That is a good thing. Actually, debate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. Okay, so ಈ ತರ ma'am, if we have a project proposal, corporates are actually hungry for money. Project ideation ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಿದೆ, a lot of people in the environment side, for them, everything has to be a very neutral project. Right? ಆ ತರ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ when building, for example, right? So sorry ma'am, but we are building a building with a lot of cement. Right? Can we have natural buildings here? Eco buildings. That could be a project. No, fine. So I'm just I'm not. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನೇನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. I may sound little okay. So a lot of these green buildings ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವನ್ ಹನಿ ಕುಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕನ್ಸರ್ವ್. ಲಿಂಗರಾಜ್ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ವೆನ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಬಾಷ್. ಬಿದ್ದ ನೀರನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸು, ನಿಂತ ನೀರನ್ನು ಇಂಗಿಸು, ಇಂಗಿದ ನೀರನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸು. ಈ 100 acres ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದ ನೀರನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು. ಬಿದ್ದ ನೀರನ್ನು ಲಿಂಗರಾಜ್ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಫೇಮಸ್. ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್. ಐ ಕಾಪಿಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ and with that environment ಬಿದ್ದ ನೀರನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಿಂತ ನೀರನ್ನು ಇಂಗಿಸಬೇಕು, ಇಂಗಿದ ನೀರನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಲಿಂಗರಾಜ್ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ process ಅಲ್ಲಿ in the last 5 years of our organization we have regenerated close to 30 lakes, and in that Rich to Valley we have also done one project in electronic city.